In-person conferences are back, and I'm excited to announce that I will be speaking at the 2023 Horizon Cybersecurity Summit this year in Hawaii. I am Matthew Rosenquist, CISO, cybersecurity strategist, and industry advisor. For over 30 years, I've been leading, evangelizing, and collaborating across the industry to help security teams keep pace with emerging threats. And I will be sharing insights and engaging peers on two interesting topics that are impacting the responsibilities of cybersecurity leaders everywhere. First, we'll be on how the entire security industry really needs to evolve to better showcase and deliver value, which is clearly tied to overall business objectives of their parent organization. And second, I'm going to delve into the hot mess that is generative AI. I'm going to cover the risks, the challenges, and the evolving best practices as both organizations and cyber threats rush to embrace this rapidly evolving and powerful technology. Now, the Horizon Summit, it draws in top thought leaders, including CISOs and CIOs from global Fortune 500 companies. This event brings together the very best innovators and investors in the industry as well. The venue is amazing and is designed for open communication, specialization tracks, social events, and small breakout sessions that foster better collaboration and partnership building. I'm looking forward to the interactive sessions and having time to get to know fellow practitioners and the latest technologies, which can only really be done in person. We all gain tremendous insights as we share our experiences, concerns, and knowledge. We are absolutely stronger when we work together as a community. I hope to see you all at the summit.